Here's our new nanotech capacitor, because so many people on YouTube seem to have a problem with this one. It's literally 2 millimeters thick, and people are trying to tell me it's got hidden batteries in the board. So apparently YouTubers are so fucking stupid that we have to show them this. This is an index card. You can't hide a battery in an index card. These are 2 pieces of aluminum foil, one treated with nanotech, one not. This is the power that it demonstrates from air. It recharges itself from air ions flowing around it. It's called the ionovoltaic effect. Look it up, use your brains. You got opposable thumbs? Use your opposable thumbs.